Decarbonization is crucial for creating a sustainable society. To help achieve this goal, Yokogawa is using its know-how in measurement and control and developing solutions in various fields. This short video introduces Yokogawa's WEBFREX3ES, an online thickness gauge for battery electrodes. Electric vehicles are becoming the norm in a carbon-free world. One key technology is batteries, in particular, lithium-ion batteries. Electrode coating is an important manufacturing process that determines the quality of lithium-ion batteries. A poor finish could even lead to a fire. The quality and yield depend greatly on whether the cathode and anode materials are coated evenly. So it is important to precisely measure and monitor the coating quality. For over 50 years, Yokogawa has been developing technologies for controlling and measuring the quality of sheets online in the paper and film manufacturing process. The wealth of knowledge and expertise gained is built into the WEBFREX3ES, the ideal solution for manufacturing battery electrodes. Lithium-ion batteries were first used in Japan and then spread globally. Yokogawa has long supported the production of these batteries with its measurement and control technologies, culminating in the release of the WEBFREX3ES in the Japanese market in 2010. Battery manufacturers then built manufacturing plants around the world, including in South Korea and China. In line with this expansion, Yokogawa has been providing the WEBFREX3ES to these plants globally, helping to increase the use of lithium-ion batteries. Currently, about 90% of all lithium-ion batteries are manufactured by the top 10 companies. Yokogawa supplies more than half of these companies with the WEBFREX3ES, which makes it possible for us to earn customers' trust throughout the world. To ensure high product quality, we use an integrated approach of in-house development, design, and production. We can also handle customers' requests quickly through our sales and service bases all over the world. This approach minimizes the risk of breakdowns and other troubles, keeping production lines operating smoothly. Since the WEBFREX3ES requires few consumable parts, running costs are minimal. Yokogawa is also actively involved in research and development for the next generation of battery technology. While supporting customers with our technology and expertise, we are helping to make society sustainable.